Associate Professor IR, Dr. Husnul Azan Tajaruddin, a dedicated researcher at University Sains, Malaysia, has spent over a decade exploring the frontiers of environmental and agricultural bioprocess engineering. His work focuses on transforming food waste into valuable resources, leading to groundbreaking innovations in sustainable agriculture. One of his most notable achievements is the development of a USM-patented probiotic chicken feed created through an advanced two-stage fermentation process. Dr. Husnul leads a team of experts committed to pushing the boundaries of agricultural sustainability. Imagine a poultry farm where the air is crisp and clean, the chickens thrive naturally, and farmers reap the benefits of a more resilient and environmentally responsible system. This isn't just a vision. It's the future we are building. The transition from antibiotics to probiotics in poultry feed is more than just a scientific breakthrough. It's a transformative step toward a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable agricultural landscape. Driven by the urgent need for eco-friendly solutions, this research tackles one of the biggest challenges in poultry farming: reducing environmental pollution while empowering rural communities. The overuse of antibiotics in animal agriculture has long raised concerns, contributing to antimicrobial resistance, AMR, and environmental degradation. By embracing probiotics, we can break this cycle and create a healthier, more sustainable food system. At its core, this project aligns with the sufficiency economy philosophy, SEP, championing a circular economy where food waste is upcycled into probiotic chicken feed, an innovation that is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. The goal is to provide small-scale farmers with an accessible, sustainable alternative that enhances poultry health, lowers ammonia emissions, and boosts overall farm sustainability. Poultry farming is a major source of agricultural emissions, with ammonia from chicken manure harming air quality, soil, and public health. Conventional antibiotic-laden feed worsens the problem, increasing ammonia emissions and contributing to antimicrobial resistance, AMR. Probiotic-based chicken feed, made from fermented food waste, offers a promising alternative by reducing ammonia and odor emissions while improving poultry gut health. However, research on its effectiveness, especially in Southeast Asia, remains limited. This study compares patented probiotic feed with conventional antibiotic feed, assessing ammonia emissions, poultry growth, manure quality, and microbial activity. The findings will support sustainable farming policies, promote food waste recycling, and explore how probiotic feed and improved ventilation can enhance small-scale poultry farms while protecting the environment. This research explores the environmental and health impacts of antibiotic versus probiotic chicken feed, focusing on USM's patented probiotic feed made from food waste. The study aims to compare their effects on chicken growth, ammonia emissions, and manure quality while developing a simulation model for large-scale farms. By quantifying the environmental impact and assessing commercial feasibility, the project seeks to provide policy recommendations for sustainable poultry farming in Southeast Asia. Expected outcomes include a 20% reduction in ammonia emissions, empirical evidence supporting probiotic feed benefits, a validated emission model for policymaking, and increased farmer adoption, with at least 70% willing to make the switch.
As the principal investigator for this project, what motivates you to do this research?
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Charles. Okay, actually, if we look in our world nowadays, it's a lot of a problem or issue about food waste because of it contributes 60% of portion of solid waste in the world. Therefore, I think I need to do something with food waste to contribute to utilize and produce something valuable product. And then at the same time, if we look in our market today, especially for chicken meat, it's a lot of chicken meat in the market contaminated with antibiotic, and then actually it's not good for human.
All right, that's really interesting. So before we end our interview session, what is the future direction of this project?
Okay, the future direction of this project, I hope this project can be accepted by all of community in the world, because the impact of this project not only for reduce the food waste in the world, but it also can solve the problem about the food security, the less of, I mean, it's about because of we produce a good quality of chicken meat, which is a non-contaminated of antibiotic. So that is a good, I think, good enough for community.
Oh, thank you so much, Dr. Usno, for such an impactful and insightful interview session.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
welcome.
The CMEO SEPS research grant is a game changer for our work in poultry farming. With this support, we're moving from small-scale trials to large-scale validation, ensuring our ammonia emission model is accurate and effective. We'll conduct extensive field trials on various farms, collecting real-world data to see how our probiotic feed can significantly reduce ammonia emissions. Using advanced tools like MATLAB and computational fluid dynamics, we'll refine our findings and validate them with real-time measurements. But it's not just about the science, we're empowering smallholder farmers with hands-on training and resources to adopt sustainable practices. This means less reliance on antibiotics and better waste recycling methods. Our research will also provide vital data for policymakers, advocating for sustainable food waste recycling initiatives and shaping regulations for responsible poultry farming. By connecting innovation with practical solutions, we're enhancing agriculture, conserving the environment, and uplifting communities across Southeast Asia.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more or get involved, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear from you.